Claus. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love the sweater.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, that's a classic.
Margareta found it at the thrift store.
Beautiful.
Doesn't really fit me, but adds to the charm.
Have a seat.
Wow. Look at this. Call me Santa.
You look like him. All right, you ready? Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Whoa.
Really nice cookie texture. So you're telling me there's not wheat flour in here?
No wheat flour. 100% acorn flour. Gluten-free, baby.
I believe in wild
Whoa.
foods, but I'm kind of surprised that it holds together so well.
Dude, this is great.
Yeah, I would not
Wow.
think twice about it being an alternative food.
I think I would have baked it just a little less. It's just slightly burnt in the center. Bottom, I think, a little bit.
And I suppose it's hard to tell with the darkness of the flour, but
Totally. Because you can't tell if it's browning.
yeah, maybe. I think with the chocolate chips and the color, I still think I'm eating a chocolate cookie.
It does kind of have that psychological effect, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Do you taste any of the acorn? Yes.
I think because I know what it tastes like,
Yeah.
if I think about it, I can pick it out, but it's pretty subtle.
It's sweet, and then it has that nice savoriness from the sea salt flakes on there.
Definitely lots of flavor.
And it has really good, it's really tall. It has a lot of body to
It's
it.
got some heft. Feels like it's got some nourishment.
No doubt. I think it's a very substantial cookie. Dude, we're eating Phelps Park right now.
And then it's like a little more than a stone's throw from here,
Oh, yeah.
but like 3 or 4 good, maybe 5 stones throw, depending on.
You got a good arm.
Yeah.
5 stones? I think it'd be like 30.
That's another test. Oh.
Oh, it's a good cookie.
Yeah. I'd say definitely in my top 10.
Yeah, it was great. I think I would have just baked it a little less because it was a little burky tasting in the middle, in the bottom. So just a little softer, and I think it would be real dialed in.
Yeah. Definitely a customer ready. But I'm thoroughly impressed.
Thank you.
I feel like alternative flours always, not always, but sometimes leave something to be desired.
Yeah,
Not
totally.
this time.
No, for a first crack at it,
Yeah,
these turned out awesome.
Yeah, I was very
And
impressed.
it's 100% acorn flour. Usually people recommend, mixing, with whole wheat or whatever, but it's like, that takes the magic out of it a little bit. And clearly these held up on their own. Well, thank you for trying it.
Great success.
Glad you liked it.
I feel lucky.
Heck yeah. Amen.
Amen.
All right, Luigi approved. Klaus?
2 thumbs up.
Yes. All right, thanks for trying it, man. Dude, that was so good.
Yeah, I wasn't faking anything there. That was very impressive.
It wasn't what I expected, but it's great.
The crispiness was, and how much it held together was surprising. I
Yeah.
thought it might be kind of crumbly, but no. It was,
Yeah.
and it didn't fall apart when you bit into it. It was great. Big success. Good work.
Yeah,
Opening doorways.
for sure.
The Lessification Lounge could serve these.
Oh, yeah. It's in the works, baby.
They would sell out every day.
I think people love them.
Yeah, and you could start at the farmer's market.
That's how I want to start.
Yeah, and you could get. I'm sure people would be jazzed about it.
Who wouldn't want to try a Phelps Park acorn cookie?
Yeah,
This is what Phelps Park tastes like.
right.
This is that treat.
Taste of the decor.
Taste of decor. Decor dice.
Yeah.
It's all part of the plan.
They just have spindly little legs in these tiny
So spindly.
tiny holes Yeah, you can only put these little screws into it. It needs like a beefy steel plate that you screw in.
Yeah, I don't want these dainty little feet.
Yeah.
I want something that's like
Mrs. Potts from the Beauty and the Beast.